Hey everyone. DevOps is a rapidly growing field, and it has become essential for IT professionals to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. In this video, we will discuss the different DevOps certifications available, their importance, and how to choose the right certification for you. What is DevOps certification? DevOps certification is a credential that validates an individual's knowledge and skills in DevOps methodology, practices, and tools. It provides recognition of an individual's proficiency in DevOps and increases their chances of getting hired or promoted in their job. Types of DevOps certifications: AWS Certified DevOps Engineer, Microsoft Certified Azure DevOps Engineer Expert, Docker Certified Associate, Google Cloud Certified Professional Cloud DevOps Engineer, Kubernetes Certified Administrator, Puppet Certified Professional, Chef Infra Certified, AWS Certified DevOps Engineer. This certification is provided by Amazon Web Services and validates an individual's proficiency in the use of AWS services for DevOps. It requires prior experience in developing and maintaining AWS-based applications. Microsoft Certified Azure DevOps Engineer Expert. This certification is provided by Microsoft and validates an individual's proficiency in the use of Microsoft Azure services for DevOps. It requires prior experience in developing and maintaining Microsoft Azure-based applications. Docker Certified Associate. This certification is provided by Docker and validates an individual's proficiency in the use of Docker and containerization technology. It requires prior experience in using Docker in a production environment. Google Cloud Certified Professional Cloud DevOps Engineer. This certification is provided by Google Cloud and validates an individual's proficiency in the use of Google Cloud services for DevOps. It requires prior experience in developing and maintaining Google Cloud-based applications. Kubernetes Certified Administrator. This certification is provided by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation (CNCF) and validates an individual's proficiency in the use of Kubernetes for container orchestration. It requires prior experience in managing Kubernetes in a production environment. Puppet Certified Professional. This certification is provided by Puppet and validates an individual's proficiency in the use of Puppet for configuration management. It requires prior experience in using Puppet in a production environment. Chef Infra Certified. This certification is provided by Chef and validates an individual's proficiency in the use of Chef for configuration management. It requires prior experience in using Chef in a production environment. Importance of DevOps certification. DevOps certification helps individuals stand out from their peers in the job market. It demonstrates their commitment to continuous learning and staying up to date with the latest DevOps trends and best practices. It also helps organizations identify individuals with the necessary skills and knowledge to lead their DevOps initiatives. How to choose the right DevOps certification. When choosing a DevOps certification, individuals should consider their current job role, future career aspirations, and the technologies and tools they are most comfortable working with. They should also research the demand for different certifications in their area and the job market trends. Conclusion: DevOps certification is a valuable credential for IT professionals looking to improve their skills and advance their careers. It provides recognition of an individual's proficiency in DevOps and increases their chances of getting hired or promoted in their job. By considering their job role, career aspirations, and technology preferences, individuals can choose the right certification to help them achieve their goals. Thanks for watching.